Hey guys, Shannon Stute down at St.Albert Dodge. Super excited to show you this vehicle behind me, but the best part is how it sounds. Ooh, this is the Dodge Durango with the big 6.4 liter in it. It is having only 20,000 kilometers on it, being a 2020, and I want to talk about a few things about it with you. So come on over. First things first is the SRTs are going to come with the package that's going to give you the adaptive cruise control, the blind spot monitoring, as well as the lane departure. So if you go to, kind of drift off, it will pull you back in your lane and keep you nice and safe. But the attraction is what's under the hood. As you can see, this has the Sport Appearance hood. Another nice thing about that is you can hardly tell, but there's 3M on the front of the vehicle to keep those chips off of the front and keep that brilliant black crystal pearl coat nice for you. So walking around now to the exterior, but the back, I wanted to show you the power lift gate. So just 2 touches of the key fob lifts up our tailgate, and you'll see that it is a 7-passenger vehicle with a split back row. So with just a pull of this handle here, you can go ahead and lay one of the seats down, just to show you the versatility when it comes to a vehicle like this. You've also got your beautiful dual exhaust down at the bottom. That sounds so nice. Hopefully good on the video, better in person, and the rest we'll find on the inside. Hey guys, it's got the red guts. Not a lot of people think this is a bad look. So you got the black on red, as well as the loaded up SRT vehicle on the inside here, which is going to have, again, those safety features I mentioned, the lane departure, full sensors, the front and rear, and a launch control mode along with the SRT button. So I wanted to show you, if you press that performance pages, it's going to come up with a pretty sweet display that's going to give you everything from your G-forces to your articulation of, just how the vehicle's steering, handling, 0 to 60 times, quarter-mile times, all able to be recorded within this really cool display. So here it is. You've got the home, the timers, gauges, G-force, and your engine. So the engine is actually going to show you your pound for foot torque, as well as your horsepower, and those are real time. So as you're driving along, you're going to see those things. Now, the adaptive cruise control is especially sweet because as you're driving along on the highway, big horsepower engine like this, fuel economy is something you're going to keep in mind. So what it's going to do is it's going to mirror the speed of the vehicle in front of you and keep that speed. As they speed up or slow down, it will do the same for you, so you're not constantly on the throttle. There's a few other things to talk about in here, but the best part of this vehicle is going to be how it drives. You can keep the kids happy and quiet in the back as you cruise along, because there is dual DVDs on the back of the driver and passenger seat. So my name is Shannon down at St.Albert Dodge. I'm super enthusiastic and happy that we have this vehicle, because again, the Dodge Durango 392 is a very limited vehicle to find out there. So call me, 780-266-1679. I'd love to take you for a drive.